Hello and welcome to this weekend market analysis. Well, the market has been a bit slow as of last week. As a matter of fact, we have been managing our open trades. Without waste of time, let's review what we did for the past few weeks and see how far we have been. Now, like I said, we have been managing some of our trades that were open. For last week, we didn't take any trade. All right, so we had the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen trade open. We actually had that running. All right, this is the chart. Let me see if I can open that up. Okay, yeah, this is the chart. We got our entry right there, our stop loss right there. That was about is it 2 weeks ago? Now look at the charts and see Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay, now that was the same line. All right, that got broken. We took our entry right there. Okay, right there, and price hovered for so many days within the entry, but since we are quite certain about the direction, we just allowed price to keep running. All right, look at those hesitation there, and then of course for last week we got price pulling through towards our direction, so we made all of this a profit. Okay, we have actually closed out this trade. I only have like 3% running. All right, sorry, only 3% of the trade running. All right, not 3% of my account, I mean 3% of the trade. So just to make this update. All right, so I'm going to close this trade completely out as the market is going to open. Although even though we have the hint that hey, price will keep pushing to the downside, this pair now looks absolutely bearish, and we keep searching for short opportunities right there. Now we have another one that we were managing as of last week. That was the euro against the sterling pounds. All right, we took that trade in the weekly time frame. Let me see again if I can open that up. All right, so that was our entry and this was our stop loss, although we have traded our stop loss to break even right now. All right, so that trade is moving at and risk free, and if you scroll down, you will see where we have actually taken profit. You can see the euro against the sterling pounds, we took out 47 pips. All right, 50% of our profit at 47 pips. Then we moved on again to take out 30% of our profit at 80 pips. Okay, so that was a good profit for us, and we are now left with 20%. Okay, so if you look into the chart, the euro against the sterling pound, you will see that was actually the weekly time frame. You see how we took the trade right there. Okay, so price managed to push in our direction for that many pips. We are still holding 20% in this pair. That's 20% of our position is still active, but we are actually trading at a risk-free position. So we are looking for price to make more advances, all right, to the upside. But that has been it's really hesitating, especially around this problematic zone. You can see this area. Okay, that's the problematic zone. Price has been hesitating around that area. We have actually been watching to see what's going to happen. We have not gotten any hint of a reversal, and so we are risking that 20% to see what's going to happen around that area. Okay, at any rate, we have made our profits. We are hoping to see that price will push to the upside further. Now we took another trade, which was in the sterling pounds against the Japanese yen. You can see it right there. That is that trade was actually a problematic one for us. You can see that was the breakout, all right, the pullback, and we're looking for more downside, but that didn't happen smoothly. Okay, in fact, our stop loss was almost threatened. Now let's see the charts and see what went on. The sterling pounds against the Japanese yen. You can see that this trade is still active. In fact, we have 100% active. We have not cashed out any profit. That was the area I was talking about. That was the bounce. We took the entry right there, and immediately price went against us, came back in profit, went back again, came back in profit. You can see the hesitation, back in profit again, and this time around it went all the way to challenge our stop loss somewhere in there, but it failed. All right, it failed to take out the stop loss and then came back down. Now it's back into a little profit. Hey, how do we close a trade that has challenged our stop loss when we're ready to take the loss, and now it is back in profit and we want to close it out? Well, technically we are still bearish in this pair, and that is why we are going to hold this position. So we are holding it to see that we may get further downside on the sterling pounds against Japanese yen for this week. So we'll keep it. We are here to trade, so let the trade run. Okay. All right, so now we have some promising trading opportunities for this upcoming trading week. Let's proceed now to conduct our analysis. But before we do that, let's look into the Forex Factory economic calendar to see those high impact news announcements that are scheduled for this upcoming trading week. As you can see, it's going to be a heavy duty fundamental week. You can see that all of those high impact news announcements are scheduled for this upcoming trading week. By the way, we have daylight saving time shift. All right, so we are going to have maybe 1 hour adjustment on our clock. Now, if you are trading, especially if you're an intraday trader, be very careful about all of these high impact news announcements. Remember, the FOMC is there. We have the unemployment, that's the NFP data coming for both the American dollar and the Canadian dollar, interest rate announcement from the sterling pounds. All right, so many high impact news announcements for this upcoming trading week. So be extremely careful, especially if you're an intraday trader. Even the Japanese yen, we are seeing interest rate announcement, monetary policy statement, all right, coming from the Japanese yen axis. So we are going to be having some reactions as this news announcement will be released. Okay, having said that, let's proceed now into the charts and conduct our analysis. We have about 3 excellent pairs to follow for this week. Okay, let's get going.